In this guide, I will show with you how to connect your IC market with TradingView. So friends, all you have to do, you should be open your charts on TradingView. On this section of brokers, scroll down till see IC market. From here, you will see this IC market. Click this IC market and then select the broker from here. And then click I don't remember me if you want to choose, and then click connect. You should be have a platinum on your AC market, and then you will redirect it to AC market account, and then click login. Friends, you should be login. To complete this connection steps, just click connect, and then you will see AC market was connected successfully. This is how you can do, friends. From here, just choose the IC market as I say, select the place and then connect. After connect, you will redirect it directly to market global, and then confirm your connection. So it is easy steps actually. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching.